Wagwan, I'm a DIY Yachty. Welcome to my channel. This is a short video to show some repairs on a Chevy Trailblazer. It had a P0171 and P0300, which is a misfire code, along with some other codes. So this actually shows what or how I went about to solve that issue of the misfire and the air leak in the intake manifold. All right, so you can actually find the link to the full video in the description box of this short right here. Okay, so click on that description box and it will link you to the full video. Big up.